you all came back. We didn't scare you away, did we? No? Alright, well welcome back. So today, yesterday we worked a little bit on putting and chipping and we got on the course as well. We all enjoyed that?
Yeah.
Okay, well good. We're going to do a little bit more of that today, but actually one thing that we really want to work on today is posture. And so we've been talking about that a little bit already, but we also want to work on path. How many of you guys know what I'm talking about when I say path? Got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not talking about a wooden trail. I'm talking about your club path. Can anybody describe that to me? Yeah, Drew.
So in the beginning of your swing, it's going to look more like an L.
Like an L, okay.
The higher, it's going to kind of arm straight.
Okay. Yeah.
Over the back maybe.
Okay.
Come down. It's going to be the same as the L.
Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, that was a really good description of a perfect swing. So I think what Drew was on to is just a little bit about where our arms and our shoulders need to be so we can get the club going down our optimal path. Now can anybody tell me how you aim for this swing so your path can work? What do you aim? Your feet, okay. What else do you use? Your arms, okay, they're connected. What else? Your what? You square up everything? Did you say the club head?
Sorry.
There's my $1 million answer. So the club face is what we like to call it. So this right here, what do we like to call this part of the club? The head, yeah. What about the face? What part of the face do we want to hit every time? Sweet spot. We don't want to hit the toe. We don't want to hit the heel. Just like in soccer, whenever you're kicking, you don't want to kick it with your toes or your heel. You want to kick it with the ball of your foot so you get optimum impact. So what we're going to work on today is to work on hitting the swing spot. Sweet spot. I apologize. So what did we mention earlier that we were doing with our swings that wasn't going well? When you're going fishing, you're over the top. Yeah, we're casting. So we're going to try working on that today with a drill that is pretty wacky, but I think it'll work for all of us. It's going to be a little different for you, Vinay, but we'll help you out with figuring it out. So I'm going to set up right here. Would you be willing to grab me like 3 balls just right over there? Please. Okay. So if you all want to stand right back here for me so I can show you what's happening. Thanks, friend. All right. So we're going to each grab a handful of golf balls. You're going to have a couple of tees, which I think we already have at your station. You're going to tee one up. All right. So if we're going over the top, where do we want to be? Maybe flatter is what we like to call it. We want to be flatter. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on this drill. Now would you believe me if I told you we're going to stand like this? We're standing backwards. So what we're going to do is you're going to set up like this. Pick a target, preferably the blue flag, right out there. We're going to set up the ball on our heel. Put it on a tee about a ½ inch off the ground. You're going to rotate your body. Just like this. You like it? All right. We're going to be a little acrobatic today. Think you can do it? All right.
Did you teach anybody to swing, backswing that way?
It works. Didn't think it would, did you? Okay, so what do you think this is doing to help my swing? Rotation. My path is more to the inside.
Can't come over the top.
I can't come over the top.
Or else you'll miss the ball.
Exactly. If I come over the top, if I go like this, I'm going to miss or I'm going to hurt myself. And nobody wants to hurt themselves. So, whenever we start this out, I want you to set up exactly like this. Put it about a tee, ½ inch off the ground. Set up with a pretty normal stance. It might need to be a little bit more narrow than usual, but you're going to be right here. Put it off your back toe. And so for Vinay, you're going to be over here swinging like this. Set up just like this. Draw like that. Then the next step is going to be, whenever you get that down, and you don't kill yourself, and you do hit it out the ways, you're going to turn about 45 degrees. So you're still going for that blue flag though, okay? You're going to set it up in the middle of your stance and swing nice and easy. That was a little over the top. But what you're going to make sure that you do is that you don't take a full swing in this, because whenever we start taking the full swing, we'll probably over-rotate and get all out of whack. So just take about a half or 3/4 of a swing, okay? And then you're going to work up to a full swing right about here. But for now, let's work on off the right heel, and then you're going to turn to about 45 degrees. Anybody want to name this drill? We don't have a name for it yet. Something? I think we can be more creative than that. The what? The contortionist. I like that one. All right, guys,
No,
go
the
ahead and take your
sideways one.
stations. The sideways? That works too.